everyone. Feet check. Feet check. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's our feet. Yeah, right? Okay, feet check. Okay, let's go back. Talikod mo. Pati siya kang kumakita. So, time check, it's already 11 something. And we're at huis bush. And, yan, nagpipicture si Ate Jang. Okay, I'll just insert some pictures dito. Let's check our pics. Hi everyone, live update. Pupunta kami later sa parang Bridgerton Palace after kami kakain. Kakain kami dito sa Taste of Kyushu and parang mag-grill ka ng oyster, beef or whatever preference na meat you would like. And it's cold but at the same time it's sunny. So probably it is possible that you get sunburned. And hindi ako nakapag-sunblock. And here's the grilling thing. Waiting ako sa mga kasama ko. And this is, I think, a heater. Then yeah, this is the view behind my back. And that's already a lake, guys. Isn't it cute? Take a look. Oh. Yan. So, waiting lang ako sa mga kasama ko. I'm already seated while they are already ordering. Ang galing. Uy, tanggalin mo yung ano mo, gloves.
Isugaro tip.
Ay.
Natin gloves. Anita mong
Gloves na?
Gloves. Ito yung gloves.
Oh my God, akala ko gloves mo.
I'm not stupid.
You are sometimes though.
Sometimes.
But not right.
Then, lagay potato dyan.
Try nga natin ilagay yung walang ano. Let's experiment, guys.
Bagay 3 dito. Ginusto mo. Ilang? Open this one. Oh my God, we try. Ikaw ang mag-ano? How is this? Perks of having a Tagaluto system.
I made this, guys, from scratch.
I hate being involved.
Guys, katatapos kumain and we're gonna go sa parang Bridgerton na bahay. Ito na ba yan? Hi everyone, we're at Gyukatsu. I don't know, but it's called Gyukatsu. It's na restaurant. I don't know the second word. And they say this is a nice place because you're like drilling on a top of a hot stone na stove version. And yeah, that's the stove and that's my sister. It's already 9:46 p.m. Dami naming shinap if you want to see it. Nandyan sa baba, guys. Oh, yeah, current life update. We went to a lot of stores. I really like Japan because it's very cheap. Walang pake sa'yo ang tao kahit nagbablog ka. Very good. For some reason, I can now say that sinasa katuparan ko talaga yung New Year's resolution ko na I should be exposing myself more to things na makes me shy. In short, it's called exposure therapy. And someone's reacting here. Ano to? Para akong maoperahan. Kasi talaga? Ate Jang, kasi talaga? Kami nagkasya to yung ulo. Ay.
Could you please put it on before putting a dab?
Guys, para akong madadentist. Can you guys see? Very not aesthetic but okay lang for sanitation purposes. Maganda naman sa huis and bosch pero hindi masyadong ganun karami yung rides compared sa Everland. But the scenic view, I think it would be better if you guys go there during the season of spring and autumn. As in, you'd better appreciate it. Although na-appreciate namin kanina, pero you can better appreciate it during those seasons. Bukas, we have another place to go to, so we will be early bukas. Meron kaming hahabulin na train station na oras, tsaka meron kaming bus na magpipick up, parang group tour siya. And it's like 2 hours away din yata na biyahe. Let's drink, people. Can you guys see it? Because I'm so thirsty. Nandito na yung sa akin, guys. Okay. Tour.
Dito ka. Dito ako.
Sabi nila masarap daw. Pero let's judge. Totoo kaya?
Kasi, spoon and fork, please. I'm sorry.
Spoon and fork?
Is it for your two? Spoon and a fork?
Yes.
A set? Spoon and a
Yes.
fork. Two set.
2 sets. Yeah. Thank you. May sinasabi tong kapatid ko, guys.
Masarap yun, sure.
Ah, wala pa ng fire.
Yun yung sinasabi ko kay Ate.
So, wag nga ko nakikas kasi kote kasi walang sizzles. That's funny, guys. Hindi pala naka-on yung stove.